Let us do some more example from exam point of view. So if A is a given matrix, show that A into A transpose conjugate is Hermitian. तो मुझे ये शो करना है कि this first I will calculate A into A transpose conjugate. I will calculate it. Then I have to show that this is a Hermitian matrix. So this matrix is given to me, A matrix. Let us calculate A into A transpose conjugate. So this is matrix A into A transpose conjugate. So what is A? This is 2 plus iota 3 minus 1 plus 3 times iota. This is minus 5 here. Iota 4 minus 2 times iota into A transpose conjugate. I will take its transpose. जब मैं इसको ट्रांसपोज करूंगा तो ये जो रो है वो कॉलम में चेंज होगी और आई विल टेक इट्स कॉन्जुगेट. सो दिस बिकम्स अ 2 minus iota because the conjugate of 2 plus iota is 2 minus iota. 3 क्योंकि रियल है तो ये एज इट इज -1 plus 3 iota. मैं इसको कॉन्जुगेट करूंगा तो -1 minus 3 iota. Next second row, this becomes the second column. So -5 minus iota and 4 plus 2 times iota. So let us calculate its product. So this becomes this row into this column 2 plus iota into 2 minus iota, a plus b, a minus b. So this becomes a square minus b square. So 4 minus iota square is -1, so this becomes the +1 here. This into this, now 3 into 3, so +9 here. This into this, so this is -1 plus 3 iota, -1 minus 3 iota. So a plus b, a minus b. So this becomes the a square -1 square, so 1, and minus 3 iota square. Iota square is minus, so minus minus plus, so plus 9 here. Next, this into this, next this into this. So this becomes a 2 plus iota into -5. So this is minus 10 minus 5 iota, 3 into minus iota, so minus 3 iota. Next -1 plus 3 iota, 4 plus 2 iota. This becomes a -4 minus 2 iota. Next plus 12 times iota. This is iota here, iota. So 3 into 4, so 12 iota. And next -3 into 2, 6. Next, this row, second row, first column. So this becomes a -10 plus -5 into -2. So -10 plus 5 iota. Next, iota into 3. So plus 3 iota. This into this. So -4 minus 12 times iota. -4 minus 12 iota. Next, plus 2 times iota. Minus minus plus, plus iota into iota minus, so minus 6. Here it is 6. Similarly, second row, second column. So this becomes a 25. This is iota into minus iota square. So this becomes a +1. Next, 4 minus 2 iota, 4 plus 2 iota, a square plus b square. So this becomes a square minus b square. So 16 plus 4 So that's equal to, so this is 24, this becomes a minus 20, 10, 4, 6. So minus 20 plus 2 times iota, this is minus 5 iota minus 3 iota, so minus 8 iota, 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 10, so minus 10 iota plus 12 iota, so plus का 2 iota. Similarly here it is minus 20 minus 2 times iota, and here it is 46, 25 plus 1, 26, 42 for 46. So this becomes a into A transpose conjugate. So I have to show that this is a Hermitian matrix. Say this is matrix B here. So मुझे ये show करना है कि ये Hermitian है. So what is the definition of Hermitian matrix? So matrix is a Hermitian अगर B transpose conjugate is equal to B. ये मुझे प्रूव करना है इसमें अब. So now calculate B transpose conjugate and it will comes a B. जब मैं इसको transpose conjugate calculate करूँगा, this becomes a 24, this becomes a down here minus 20 minus 2 iota, this becomes a minus 20 plus 2 times iota, and this is 46, and this is equal to B. So this shows that AA transpose is a, this shows that AA transpose is a Hermitian. Let us do one more example. One more example. So given the matrix A, I have to show that I minus A into I plus A, its inverse and its product. That's unitary. So let us first calculate I minus A. So I is the identity. So I minus A. So this becomes a 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 minus this thing. So this becomes a 1 minus this thing. So this minus 1 minus 2 iota. This is 1 minus 2 iota. This is 1. So this becomes a I minus iota, I minus A. So 1 minus 1 minus 2 iota, 1 minus 2 iota and 1. Next I have to calculate the I plus A and then its inverse. So I plus A. How I can calculate the I plus A? Just add the 1 0 0 1 in this matrix. So diagonal वाले element इसमें add होंगे 1 1. So this becomes a 1 1 plus 2 times iota. This is minus 1 plus 2 times iota and 1. So this is our I plus A, but I have to calculate the I plus A inverse. So let us calculate its I plus A determinant first. So what is it determinant? This into this. So this becomes a 1 into 1 minus this into this. Here it is 2 iota plus 1, 2 iota minus 1. So this becomes a square minus b square. What is a square? 2 iota square. So 2 iota square is minus 4. So this becomes a plus 4 here. And this is minus 1 square. So this is, here it is minus 1 square. So this becomes a minus 1 square. So minus minus plus. So plus 1. So that's equal to 6. Because this is not equal to 0, therefore its inverse exists. So therefore inverse exists. Now how I can calculate the inverse? So I plus A, its inverse. How I can calculate the inverse? Interchange the diagonal elements. So here it is 1 as it is, 1 as it is. Interchange the diagonal element and attach the negative sign with the other element. So इनके साथ मैं negative sign attach करता हूँ. So this becomes a minus 1 minus 2 iota. यहाँ मैं negative sign attach करूँगा. This becomes a 1 minus 2 iota and 1 upon determinant. What is the determinant? 6. So 1 upon 6 here. So this is I calculate. So I can write this 1. This is the number 2. Now I have to calculate I minus A, I plus A inverse. So just multiply this matrix with this matrix. So this becomes a 1 upon 6 as it is, this row into this column. So this is 1 into 1, 1 into 1, and then plus minus 2 iota minus 1 and minus 2 iota plus 1. So इसको calculate करेंगे, this becomes the 1. So minus 2 iota minus 1, a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus 2 iota square. So this is the minus 2 iota square. So minus 4 and minus 1. Similarly, this row into this column. So this becomes the minus 1 minus 2 iota. 1 minute. erase करता हूँ मैं. So this row into this column. So this becomes a minus 1 minus 2 iota into minus 1 minus 2 iota. Similarly, this second row, first column. So 1 minus 2 iota and plus 1 minus 2 iota. Next second row, second column. So this becomes a minus 2 iota minus 1, minus 2 iota plus 1. So a square minus b square. What is a here? 2 iota minus 2 iota square. So minus square 4. So this becomes a minus 4 minus 1 plus 1 here. So this becomes a 1 upon 6. Here it is minus 4. This is minus 1 minus 1. So this becomes a minus 2 minus 4 iota. Here it is 2 minus 4 iota, and here it is minus 4. So this is our matrix I minus A, I plus A inverse. Say this is B, and I have to show that this is unitary. Then I have to prove that B into B transpose conjugate, and it will be becomes a I here. So just calculate, this is a B here, just calculate its transpose conjugate and multiply, you will get I. Thank you.